Hello, I want to exchange some money.
Hello. Sure. Which currency do you need?
I need US dollars.
How much do you want to exchange?
Maybe $500.
Okay. Do you know the exchange rate today?
Not exactly.
No problem. Today the rate is 1 to 90.
Oh, thank you.
Do you have your ID or passport?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please wait a moment while I count the money.
Sure.
Are you traveling soon?
Yes, my flight is this afternoon.
That is exciting.
I hope so.
Here is your money. $500 all exchanged.
Thank you. Is there any fee?
Yes, a small fee of $5.
That is okay.
Do you want small bills or large bills?
Small bills, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thank you.
I see you using your phone a lot today.
Yes, I am using social media.
Which app are you using now?
I am using Instagram.
Do you like Instagram?
Yes, I like it very much.
What do you usually do there?
I watch short videos and look at photos.
That sounds fun.
Yes, sometimes it is very funny.
Do you also post photos?
Yes, sometimes I post photos of my food and trips.
Do many people like your photos?
Yes, my friends often like them.
Do you write comments too?
Yes, I write simple comments.
What kind of comments?
I write things like nice photo or very beautiful.
That is good practice for English.
Yes, I learn new words there.
Do you follow many people?
Not too many, only friends and some travel pages.
Do you watch English learning pages?
Yes, I follow some English teachers.
That is very helpful.
Yes, I learn 1 or 2 new words every day.
Do you spend a lot of time on social media?
Sometimes too much time.
That happens to many people.
Yes, sometimes I forget the time.
Do you ever take a break from social media?
Yes, I try to stop using it at night.
That is a good habit.
Yes, then I read a book or listen to music.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel calm.
I see a suitcase on your bed.
Yes, I am packing for a trip.
That is exciting. Where are you going?
I am going to visit my cousin in another city.
How long will you stay there?
I will stay for 4 days.
That sounds like a nice trip.
Yes, I am very happy.
What are you packing first?
I am packing clothes.
How many shirts are you taking?
Maybe 4 shirts and 2 jackets.
That is a good idea. The weather can change.
Yes, I want to be ready.
Are you packing comfortable shoes?
Yes, I will walk a lot there.
Good thinking.
I am also packing a small bag.
What will you put in it?
My phone charger, passport, and some snacks.
Snacks are always a good idea.
Yes, I get hungry during travel.
Are you bringing a camera?
No, I will use my phone camera.
Phones take great photos now.
Yes, I want to take many pictures.
Do you make a checklist when you pack?
Yes, it helps me not forget things.
That is very smart.
Last time I forgot my toothbrush.
Oh no, that is not good.
Yes, so this time I check everything.
When will you leave?
Tomorrow morning.
I hope you have a wonderful trip.
Thank you. I am very excited. Hello, I bought this shirt yesterday.
Hello. Do you want to return it or exchange it?
I want to exchange it. The size is too big.
No problem. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I kept it in the bag.
That is good. Thank you.
I want the same shirt, but a smaller size.
Let me check if we have it. What color is the shirt?
It is light blue.
Light Blue. Yes, that is a nice color.
Yes, I really like the color, but the sleeves are too long.
I understand. We have the smaller size. Would you like to try it?
Yes, please.
Here you go. The fitting room is over there.
Thank you. I will try it now.
After trying,
It fits perfectly.
great. I'm happy it fits.
How much do I pay for the exchange?
There is no extra charge.
That is good.
Do you want to see other colors too?
Maybe later. Today I only want this one.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Do you shop here often?
Yes, I like the clothes and the prices are fair.
That is good to hear.
Yes, and the quality is very nice too.
We try our best for our customers.
Yes, I can see that.
Have a nice day and enjoy your new shirt.
Thank you, I will. Hello, I need to make an appointment.
Hello, are you seeing the doctor or the nurse?
I want to see the doctor for a checkup.
That is a good idea. Do you have a preferred day?
I hope to come tomorrow.
Let me check the schedule. What time do you prefer?
Maybe in the morning.
Morning is usually less busy.
Yes, I feel more active then.
Do you have your ID or insurance card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please wait a moment while I check the doctor's availability.
Sure.
The doctor is free at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Does that work?
Yes, that is perfect.
Great. I booked your appointment.
Thank you.
Is this for a regular checkup?
Yes, just a routine checkup.
Very responsible of you.
Yes, I want to make sure my health is fine.
That is good. Please arrive 10 minutes early.
Okay, I will.
You're all set. See you tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.